I have bought this footrest for the right hand side here. Here it goes. Okay, it seems like it's a perfect fit if I do it. Only thing is I have to check for the screw size because this extends up to 3 mm. This is a 3 mm flat metal and there are few scratches over this. I'm just thinking over to paint it or fix it like that. Let me check for the screws. If it's available, I will fix it right away. So this one is more than 12 size. Okay, well, this is a 12 size bit. Yes, it is perfect 12 size. I'm taking the extension rod. I'm taking a T-rod attached. Loosen it. Oh, easy. Bit complicated. Now it's looser. I can remove easily. But still, the other side you have to hold with the spanner, or else it will slip. Still tight. First time I am removing it, so everything will be tight. So this is the bolt, the nut that side, other side. Okay, because of they have added some cement over here for the bolt and everything. That's the reason it could be so tight. So next I'm going to get my. I don't accept my bike is getting scratched. So I'm just putting some cloths over here. Here it goes. The hole looks perfectly. The hole looks perfect. I will give you the link as well from where I have bought this. I imported this from Chennai, one of the shop. I will give the link if you are interested to buy. Okay, goes well, I guess. There is no need of any extra bolts or no. Oh, nice. This is very nice. Without any kind of screws, it goes very nice. Without any kind of modification, this goes perfect. Perfect, dude. This is very perfect. Let me type it. Okay, not completely. I'm not tightening it completely because you have to give some space for extra adjustment and all. So I have to put the nut here. The second nut. Okay, now let me tighten it. Hold from behind with the spanner, then start tightening here. Sorry. Extra.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಣ್ಣ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗು?
ಹಾಂ.
ಓ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಸಾರಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. This is the nut, outside nut. The bolt has not come out. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. At least there must be some 3 to 4 threads outside. So for time being, I just kept it. I have to replace that bolt with some other lengthy one. Here it goes.